Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video from virtualroof.com, where we provide cloud computing services that allow your employees to work from anywhere and still be under one virtual roof. We do this by hosting over 300 software applications and their associated data. All of those applications and data can be accessed and used from any of the devices you see on this screen. If you'd like more information about us, you can go to our website. You could also do a search for virtualroof.com on YouTube. You can send us an email at info@virtualroof.com, or you can call us at 866-932-2281. Okay, we got a call the other day from a credit union who was asking about using ACT in their business. So we decided to make a video showing how a credit union might be able to use ACT to be more productive and more efficient in their business. As mentioned earlier in the video, we're in the business of hosting software. All of the software and everything that you're going to see on our screen in this video today is actually hosted. None of the software is on our local machines. I'm sitting physically in Orlando, Florida, but all the applications and data that you're going to see are physically in Bellingham, Washington in our secure data center. I'm just going to go to one of those servers now. If you've never logged in to our system before and you need to know how to do that, you might want to go to YouTube. I'm going to go there now actually and do a search for Virtual Roof initial login. And there's a video there that shows you how to log in for the very first time if you've not logged into our systems before. Anyways, let's go ahead and go over to our virtual desktop. This is one of our demo accounts. We're logged in as a demo user here, and this is a virtual desktop. On this virtual desktop that's, again, coming from Bellingham, Washington, we've got Microsoft Office installed on here. You can see Microsoft Access up at the top, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, and Word down here at the bottom. And then we've got also on this particular desktop, we've got ACT Premium 2012. Already got that open, so I'm just going to click on it. And this is the standard ACT that comes, the way it comes out of the box. It's just a generic setup for that, and a lot of people use it just like this. However, we like to customize it for our customers so that it meets their business needs more directly, and we did just a little bit of customization for this particular credit union that called us, and I'm going to go show you that now. Again, we didn't do very much here. This is just kind of an initial thing just to show how it might be used. Okay, so now we're into the database. You can see the first thing that we did is we added their logo to the top left-hand corner of the screen. By the way, this company, Grow Financial Federal Credit Union, is located in Tampa, Florida, or in that area. They've got a number of branches in that area. So the first thing that we did after doing their logos, we added these three fields at the top. And the three fields at the top are indicators as to the relationship that this particular contact record has with the company. In other words, in this case, Grow Financial. So this particular person, since I just logged in, I'm a user of the database ACT_4, is an employee in the real estate division at Grow Financial. Okay, so one of the things that we did with the ID status field was we, again, customized this list, and you can edit it and add as much as you want or remove things or whatever. But you can see that we've added this to show members versus prospective members versus whether they're personal or commercial opportunities or members. And then also we have referral sources down at the bottom. A lot of business comes to this credit union through referral sources, and some of that's auto and some of it's real estate, and I'm sure there's other referral sources as well that could be added to this list. So again, this particular field identifies the relationship between the contact record and Grow Financial. For instance, if we wanted to go and find all of our referral sources that are in the auto industry, we can click OK, and there we have it. And so here's Courtesy Toyota, here's their contact record, and we can see that they're a referral source in the auto side, and the division also is auto for our company. Talking about division, if we click that drop down, we've got 4 divisions in here. We just sort of made these up. We do know that this particular credit union has 4 divisions, and again, we just sort of made these up. But again, this list is editable, so you can again click down here and change what's in this drop down. Products. We actually pulled these, some of these or all of these came from their website. We didn't get all of the ones that were on their website. They've got a ton of products on there, but we just wanted to get a list here so you could kind of see how that works. And since this is a referral source, he may or may not actually be a prospect for particular products. So, none of those are checked for this particular contact in our database. But if we go to look up ID status again and we type the word prospect in this field and hit enter, this is a list of all of our prospects in the database. So if I double click one of these, I can see that this is a prospect personal. They're connected right now to the insurance division of our business. And by the way, this list, you're capable of turning this into a multi-select list so that you could have this person involved or engaged with your company in more than one division, much like the products. Okay, the products is a multi-selected list. So I can go down the line and I can say, well, this person has now told me that they're interested in credit cards as well. So I can put a check mark by that, and now credit cards are among the products that they're interested in. Same with members. You could have a set of products in there for a member as well. So those are just 3 fields, and you can see already what kinds of things we can do with just those 3 fields. Just imagine what you could do with 10 fields or 20 fields or even 50 fields that were customized specific to your business. In one of our other videos on YouTube, you'll see that we've done some customization in the opportunities section for the credit union. Again, we just barely touched the surface of what can be done, but it was a demonstration of the possibilities. And then probably the most valuable area that we see is in the dashboards, and so we've got another video on that. It's specifically Top Line Dashboard, which is an ACT add-on, and I really encourage you to take a few minutes to watch those and to be able to see how you can actually use not only ACT but maybe ACT with some of these add-ons in order to manage your business. Thanks again for taking a few minutes to watch this video from virtualroof.com. Keep in mind, everything that you saw in this video can be done from any of the devices on this screen. If you'd like more information about us, you can go to our website. You could also do a search for virtualroof.com on YouTube. You can send us an email at info@virtualroof.com, or you can call us at 866-932-2281.